Greetings, students, and welcome to this channel. This is the Basic Mathematics series, video 7. I would advise that if you have not watched the previous series from 1 to 6, please go and watch them before you continue from here. Now, if you have not yet subscribed, what you do is you click on that subscribe button that you are seeing there, and turn on notifications, so that anytime we post the next video, you'll be notified. Let me also say that this series will stretch to even 40, if not video 40 or video 45. And if you can be patient enough to finish the series of these basic maths, you will never have problem with maths again in your life. Okay, because if you can finish it up to the last video of this series, you'll be very good at mathematics. Okay, going to SS1. Now, today we are talking about decimals. For decimals, we will talk about addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, let's first talk about addition. Let us add 0.65. Follow me very well now. Plus 15.875. If you want to add decimals, what you simply do is that you will align the decimal points to each other. If there are two numbers, align two decimal points to each other. Then draw your line for your answer. Then align another decimal point here. So you have 3 decimal points in that order. Are you with me? So this one is for your answer. These ones are for the two numbers you're working on. Now, you write this one first. This one has 0 before the decimal point. It now has 6 and it now has 5. Follow me very well now. This one has 2 numbers before the decimal point. So you write the 5 will be here. This 5 will be very close to the point. This one will now be here. You see how I'm spacing them out? Then this 875 will now be right 8 after the point, then 7 here, and then 5 here. So space it out. Are you following me now? Then anywhere you have anywhere there's a space, you put 0 to complete the space. Do you understand? The way you are now done, you put your plus sign because you want to add. Now let's start the addition. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. You write 2, carry 1. 6 plus 8 is 14. Plus 1 that I carry 15. So I have 5 here. Your point is already here. So I put 1 here. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. So the answer is 15.22. Okay, this one is actually 6. Sorry, this one is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. Sorry about that. 1 plus 5 is 6. Okay? So you bring down 1. So the answer is 16.525. So anytime you are adding, align the decimal points. Okay? Align them. It's very simple to add. Now, let me show you another one. Let us do 25 plus 122.34. Let's add this. I know you might want to ask me where the decimal point of this one is. This one doesn't have a decimal point, right? Now, if a number does not have a decimal point, let us even first arrange it. So let's put our points. Okay, let's add one more. Let's do 5.323. Let's deal with two, three numbers so I can help people digest the information. So I have three numbers. So I put 3 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is for the answer now. So I have this. Are we together? Now, so this one is 25. This one doesn't have a point. So the point is at the front here. Once a number does not have a decimal point, the point is at the front here. Are you with me? The point is at the front. Now let's go. So I have 25 points. So I put 5 here and put 2 here. Then here I have 122.34. So I put 2 here. I put 2 here. I put 1 here. Then here I have, after the point, I have 3 and I have 4. Are we together? Then on this one, I have 5 before the point. Put it on that before the point. I have 3, 2, 3. So put 3 here, put 2 here, and put 3 here. So anywhere there's a space, you fill it to 0. So there's a space here, I put 0 here. There's a space here, I put 0 here. There's a space here, I put 0 here. There's a space here, I put 0, I put 0. Then here I have 0 and 0. Use 0 to complete the work. Are you okay? Then let us now add. 0 plus 0 plus 3 will give us 3. 0 plus 4 plus 2 will give us 6. 0 plus 3 plus 2 will give us 6. 5 plus 2 plus 5 will give us 12. So we have 2, carry 1. Put here. 1 plus 2 plus 2 will give us 5. Then you bring down 1. So the answer is 152.663. Are you good? So this is how to add decimals. Take note of that. Okay. So remember what I said about this one. When a number doesn't have a decimal point. Alright. Now let's go to excuse me. Let's go to subtraction very quickly. So subtraction. Now for subtraction, let's just take one example. It's the same thing with addition. Let's do something like this. 85.4 minus 1 or minus, okay, let's put the 385.4 minus 12.684, something like this. So now let's work it out. Now we have put your point, and then underline. So this one is 385.4. So I have 5 here, 8 here, 3 here, 0.4. See how I've arranged it now. This one is now starting from the point. I have 2. So after the point, I have 2, 1, and I have 6, 8, 4. Make sure you space out the numbers. Make sure you space out the numbers. So now, like I did in addition, anywhere there is a gap, put 0 and 0. You see that? So let's begin to subtract now. 0 minus 4, can it work? No. I borrow 1 from here. You cannot borrow 1 from here because it is 0. So you borrow from here now. Borrow from 4, it turns into 3. You now put 1 here, it becomes 10. Then borrow from 10, it turns to 9. You now put it here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 6 cannot work. So I take 1 from here. So this one remains 4. I now put 1 here. It becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. This is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 0 is 3. So what's the answer? 372.716. So addition and subtraction, they are the same thing. It's just that you have to make sure that you put your zeros in the right places, put your decimal points in the right places, and so on and so forth. In the next video, we will be looking at multiplication of decimals and division of decimals. So please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that once we post the next video, you'll be notified. Okay.